Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD territory. We're currently resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line, now at the price of $26.48. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, seeing slight signs of a diverge there. And as we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As for resistance, that'll be where we encountered resistance in the past that dated back to September 15th at around price of $27.27. And as for support, that'll be where we have the 18-day moving average, this purple line at price of $25.41. If we were to test that support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around, say, 4.2%, and to test resistance, that is around 2.8% to the upside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.49, which is this range right here. And as for my sell targets, that's at $24.88, and my stop loss is at $23.20. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.65, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $23.80, and my stop loss is at $25.97. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 14% chance for silver futures to climb between 0 to 4.4%. Further extreme case to the upside, a 14% chance to climb between 4.4% to 8.8%. As for a downside, we have a 71% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 4.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.